c'è bello.
Welcome to London, mate. Best city in the world.
Are you our guide? Do you have a black cab?
25 years I have driven this cab. She knows every street.
It is perfectly black, perfectly London. UV rays go through clouds. Protection is always key.
Yes, mate. Very key. Very important. Route 15 bus. Running since 1920.
1920? The bus is over 100 years old.
Always bigger in real life.
Always. Elizabeth Tower, actually. Big Ben is just the bell.
James, how many steps to the top of Big Ben?
334 teens. You cannot go up anymore, though.
334 steps. And I cannot count them.
I counted them once, in 1998. Only time allowed. 960 years old, give or take.
960. Very old, even for a tower.
Lots of history here, mate.
Real ravens! In the tower!
In the tower. How many, James? 6 minimum, always. By law. Beefeaters protect them. Legend, if the ravens leave the tower, Britain falls.
So the birds protect the whole country. 6! Exactly 6! Britain is safe, I checked.
Every visitor should do that. Very thorough, mate. The crown jewels are inside. The actual crowns, the actual diamonds.
Actual diamonds? In here? Right now?
Tower Bridge. Not London Bridge. Everyone confuses them.
Which one is London Bridge then?
London Bridge is plain and grey. Not this one. An American bought it in '68. He thought it was this. He wanted this. He got that. Best mistake ever.
Drawing the sad man at the wrong bridge now.
South Bank. Real London. Not the postcard version.
It is so alive. Everything here is alive.
It moves so slowly. Is it always this slow?
30 minutes for one rotation. Slow is the point.
You can see the whole city from here.
Wave when you are at the top. They call this the wobbly bridge. It wobbled.
I can feel it! Very slightly. Still wobbles.
This dome survived the Blitz. The whole city burned. This stood.
It just stood there, through everything.
Some things look better without the phone between you and them.
London teaches everyone that eventually. Ah, there she is. Proper London weather. Welcome.
UV rays penetrate clouds. Fact.
Borough Market. Here since 1014. 1,000 years.
1,000 years. 1,000 years. Same spot. Same market.
Could I have some, please?
Almost British. Keep trying. Proper British tea. Milk goes in first.
Always first.
This matters.
Why does the order matter?
Order matter. It just does. Do not question it, Britain.
Milk first. Do not question it. This is Britain. Bread, but not bread. Cake, but not cake.
A scone is only a scone. Nothing else is.
London rain looks warmer on film than it feels.
London built itself around its weather. They agree now. Second cup. This is what you do in London when it rains.
What if it rains all day?
Rain stopped. Perfect timing. Covent Garden. Best street performers anywhere.
A man painted gold, standing completely still. Is he real? James, how long can someone stand completely still?
Professionals? 4 hours. Some do 8. An art.
Oh mio babbino caro, mi piace bello.
An opera singer in a market on a Tuesday.
This is Tuesday. Imagine Saturday.
Drawing everything. The gold man, the singer, all.
Put me in it. Standing by my cab. That is me. The Tube. Oldest underground railway in the world. Opened 1863.
The train goes underground? The whole train? Underground?
Greenwich. Here is where time begins. The Prime Meridian line.
Time begins here? In this specific place? 1 foot east, 1 foot west. Standing in both.
0 degrees longitude. Center of the world. You. Best view of London. No argument. Right here. Right here.
I understand now why people love this city.
Not on any tourist map. But I want to show you.
What is here, James?
My grandmother came from Jamaica to London. 1962. This street, this house, that door. She arrived here.
This is the house where it all started. I still remember the day we moved in.
1 bag. Nobody she knew. 40 years she worked here. She said London was cold first, then warm.
Drawing your grandmother, arriving, 1 bag.
Yes, that is exactly right. Every London street, someone arrived. Someone built something. Not the bridges, the people who crossed them.
Not the bridges. The people who cross them.
That is a beautiful way to say it.
Best passengers in 25 years. By a mile.
James, I drew her. Can I show you?
Can I keep this one?
Yes, I drew it for you. And for her.
And for her. Mate, British word for friend. I call everyone mate. Brilliant, British word for very good. Brilliant means excellent. Queue means to wait in line. British people love it.
Cheers means thank you in British English.
Very useful.
Tower means a tall building, 900 years old. Bridge means a path over water. Tower Bridge.
Raven, a large black bird. Tower always has 6. Guard means someone who protects. Beefeaters guard the tower.
Market mine, where people sell food and goods. Scone, British bread cake. And milk goes in tea first.
Been to London? What did you see? Comment below. Or what would you see first? Tell us.
Subscribe for more slow English. Every week. Brilliant content. Guaranteed.
You drew it. I gave him one. I kept one. It matters. My videos are good. My videos are good. But your drawings have the feeling. I draw the feeling, not the building, the feeling.
David, did you photograph anything without your camera?
James's grandmother's street. I put the camera down there.
Not the bridges, the people who crossed them. James, I wrote it. The most important thing about London.